Officially, Black Friday is just around the corner, but that hasn't stopped online retailers from releasing seasonal deals without warning, which began this year in early October. So, if you are in the market for saving money and avoiding the Black Friday rush, you can start taking advantage of some of the best Black Friday automotive deals from major retailer websites such as Amazon. Automotive tools, parts, supplies, accessories, and equipment are the same year-round, so we like to wait for sales like this one to snap up the things we've had our eyes on. Whether you are shopping for yourself, stocking up, or looking for a gift idea, in this video, we will check out some of the best Black Friday automotive deals around. So, without any further ado, let's check them out. OBDII code scanners and diagnostic tools. Don't be intimidated by the thought of attaching a scanner to your car and looking up a trouble code. Unless you are a tuner adjusting your fuel-air mixture for nitrous, it's literally as simple as plugging in a cord to a socket on your dash and looking at a screen. A scan tool can literally pay for itself the first time you use it. A check engine light can come on for literally hundreds of reasons. Sometimes it's something serious that means you should park the car, but often it can be as simple as a loose gas cap or a bad O2 sensor. The peace of mind knowing you can safely continue to drive your car until you get the repair done is priceless. And for this, we recommend Fixed, a smallish device that plugs into your automobile's OBD port, which grants access to the car's computerized self-diagnostic system. All cars manufactured in 1996 and later have an OBDII port, which is usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. The Fixed sensor works on all gasoline-powered cars equipped with an OBDII port manufactured, as we said, before 1996, and diesels built after 2008. But it doesn't work on cars that are exclusively electric. It will work on hybrid cars, however. With a price tag of $59, 34% off of MSRP, it uses a free Android or iOS mobile app and communicates with your phone via Bluetooth. The app connects to the Fixed servers via cellular or Wi-Fi to retrieve diagnostic data and save your car's scanned results. The Fixed sensor won't actually fix your car for you, but it does a great job of diagnosing issues quickly and accurately. It's affordable, a snap to install, and easy to use. Its timeline maintenance reminders and wear item checklist will help you keep your car or truck safe and in tip-top shape, but more importantly, you will have a good idea of what to expect before you bring your vehicle into the shop or try to fix things yourself. Another great find, but this one is for diesel truck enthusiasts, the Edge Insight CTS3 Performance Monitor. It's a digital gauge display that can show you tons of information, vehicle data, and parameters in real time. It offers customizable dash layouts so you can pick and choose what parameters you want to monitor. You can also set alerts, so when a certain parameter reaches a certain point, it will make a sound to alert you. It also offers a ton of other features beyond just being a digital gauge in a monitor. These include trouble code reading and clearing, just like the OBD device we discussed earlier, and a ton of features allowing you to customize your vehicle. The most important benefit of purchasing the Edge Insight CTS3 is its powerful parameter viewer capabilities. It offers a huge touchscreen display where you can display a ton of different parameters simultaneously. This makes for a great gift for yourself or a loved one, especially being heavily discounted with 28% off at $377. Trailering, RV, and camping equipment. A lot of parts and equipment is shared between trailers and campers. Everything associated with the hitch, wheels, lighting, maintenance, and many other items are the same whether you have a pop-up, fancy camper, or just a flatbed you throw bags of mulch onto. And for some people, a trailer is just a tool. But some people treat them like their cars, with upgraded wheels, custom paint, lights, and more. And our first item for this category is the Buyer's Product Locking Gas Container Rack. It can mount to any style landscaping trailer to hold one 5-gallon container. The container locks into place with a steel pin. It remains visible and the trailer bed stays clear. The rack has high walls to cradle the can, while on the road and the included padlocks adds extra security. It is constructed from sturdy metal and finished with a rust-inhibiting black powder coat. Being sold at 32% off for $43, it might seem expensive, but the build quality is well worth it. The second item on this list is for those who tend to camp or travel heavy. Even SUV owners may run out of room for that 5th or 6th suitcase. Folding rear seats to expand cargo space isn't always an option with a full load of passengers. Lightweight cargo carriers strap onto the top of your vehicle, store bulky items, and easily fold away when not in use, unlike hard-shell rooftop cargo carriers. And that's where the RoofPack Soft Rooftop Cargo Carrier comes in. Offering 19 cubic feet of space, it's made of durable material with waterproof double zippers and dual seam technology. It also includes a water-repellent double coating, making it a waterproof cargo hauler. It also offers a lifetime warranty on its buckles and zippers and works with or without roof rails. It has a built-in protective mat and comes with 10 plastic Velcro straps. It expands to nearly 20 inches in height when packed to the brim. Its footprint is 47.2 inches long and 35.4 inches wide. And all of this is offered at 27% off of MSRP at $138. Winter, well, is here, and it's already here in some parts of the country or on the way on the most of the rest. There aren't many places outside Southern California and the Gulf Coast where you won't want at least an ice scraper in your car. And with a heavy winter on the way for the 2021-2022 season, it's anyone's guess what will happen. What you can do is have at least the basics for a winter emergency in your car. The first product here would be the Snow Joe Illumin Broom, which makes a quick workout out of the snow pile on the roof, hood, trunk, or windshield of your car. A revolutionary 4-in-1 device, a snow broom, ice scraper, flashlight, and emergency blinker, all in one convenient and compact tool. Now you can safely sweep snow and scrape ice off of your car day or night without damaging its paint, trim, or glass. And the telescoping pole extends from 33 to 52 inches to easily access the snow pile on top of your car's roof or trunk. 4 powerful LED lights instantly brighten your task, and the built-in blinker doubles as an emergency flasher when you really need to be noticed. Plus, you can stow it neatly inside your car, so it's always ready when you need it. And with a steep discount of 40% off at just $17.99, it's a steal. And staying on the topic of snow, if you need an easy and affordable way to move snow from your driveway, we have a great deal for you. The Snow Joe Ultra SJ625E, a larger electric snow thrower that delivers the power of a gas machine with the convenience of an electric unit. Driven by a powerful 15-amp motor, the Snow Joe Ultra moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. Its durable steel auger with 2 blades cuts a path 21 inches wide by 12 inches deep with each pass. In addition to its exceptional plowing capacity, the Snow Joe Ultra features an adjustable discharge chute that rotates a complete 180 degrees to provide full control over the direction of the snow stream. The chute deflector can also be adjusted to control the height of the snow stream. Easy all-terrain wheels make it easy to turn and maneuver with each pass. The scraper blade at the base of the unit efficiently scraps the snow clear to the ground without damaging your deck or pavement. Powered electrically, the Snow Joe Ultra is effortless to start and maintain. No gas, oil, or tune-ups are necessary. And for this Black Friday, you can get it for an insane 48% off at just $129. So, which deal did you like? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for the latest car reviews and news. Take care, and see you in the next one.